Good evening everyone. It's me Chandrakala here. Now today we will start chapter number 17, that is unselfishness. We all know the meaning of selfish and selfishness. That means the person who thinks only about himself. And unselfishness means when we start thinking about others more than us. That is known as unselfishness. That means we start caring about others. In a village, there lived an old man named Kartikeya. He used to keep himself busy planting seeds of different fruits in the village. There was a village, and in that village, one person was living. His name was Kartikeya, and he was fond of planting trees. That means all the time he used to plant some seeds. One day, some children from his neighborhood visited his garden. One of the children asked, "What are you doing, uncle?" That means someday when he was he was planting the seeds. At that time, some children came there and asked him that, "What are you doing?" Kartikeya replied, "Son, I am sowing trees of a mango tree. Seeds of a mango tree." That means now I am putting seeds of a mango tree. Another child asked, "But by the time these trees grow up and starts giving fruits, you would be too old to eat any of them. Why are you wasting your time planting these trees?" Then one child said that, "Now you are planting a mango tree, and when it will grow up and it will start giving fruits, at that time you won't be able to eat it. Then why are you wasting time by planting these seeds? It doesn't matter if I don't eat. You would be able to eat their fruits," replied the old man. The old man said that, "I know that I cannot eat those fruits. I won't be able to eat those fruits, but you can eat those fruits." He continued, "I ate the fruits of the trees that my grandfather had planted, and you children will eat the fruits of the trees that I am planting." He said that those fruits which I have eaten, those plants I did not plant. My ancestors planted those trees and I ate those fruits. Similarly, when now I will plant the trees, then you will be able to eat the fruits. These trees will not only give fruits but also give shade to the travelers. Travelers means those persons who are passing by there. To them it will also provide shade. Then you are wrong in thinking that I am wasting my time. Instead, I am making the best use of time. My hard work will be fruitful for you all. Remember one thing, the best way to thank God for everything that He has given us is by doing good to all. He said that you are thinking that I am wasting my time by planting these seeds, but actually I am not wasting my time, but I am utilizing my time. I am making its best use. And if we really want to thank God, then we should do good to others how much we can. The old man then starts singing this song. Do all the good you can. That means how much good you can do to others, you should do. By all the means you can. That means by all the sources which you are having, you can do good to others. In all the ways you can, in all the places you can. That means in all the ways, that means by all the methods, whenever you get a chance to help others, you should help them. In all the places you can, wherever you are, there also you can help them. At all the times you can, to all the people. That means all the time we can help to all the people. Thought of the day, it is more blessed to give. That means if God has given us something, then we are very lucky person that we are having something which we can give to others. Now we will start question answers. Before that, we have to write down moral. Since this chapter is already given a small moral, so it's better if you will write the same moral. Otherwise, in other words, you can write down moral by yourself also. For example, we should always help others. That can be also a moral. So that is your choice. You can write down any one moral. Word meanings are not needed because they are not asked in the exam. And now we are having some question answers. Here the first question, answer these questions. The first question, how did the old man keep himself busy? Its answer is on page number 43. That means the first page of the chapter. In first line, he used to keep himself busy planting seeds of different fruits in the village. So here you can write he, or if you don't want to write down he, then you write down the old man, because in question the old man has been asked. So you can write down the old man used to keep himself busy by planting seeds of different fruits in the village. Question number 2 is, do you think the old man was wasting his time by planting trees? It's on the same page where we have learnt here. It's written here in the second paragraph. That is, you are wrong in thinking that I am wasting my time. Instead, I am making the best use of it. So first here, the first question is, do you think the old man was wasting his time? So obviously no, he was not wasting his time. And still, if you want to add something more to the answer, actually the actual answer is no, because this is one word question. So here you can write down no. And if you still want to write down some more answer, that means you want to add something here, then you have to write down from here that he was making the best use of his time. He was, here we will write he was, second answer, making the best use of his time. After of we will write his, and this is second. Okay, so if you want to write down this after this no, you can write down, otherwise this much is enough. Do you think the old man was wasting his time by planting trees? No, this is the real answer and it's enough. What is the best way? Here it's written may, so it's not may, you have to cut down and do the correction. What is the best way to thank God? So this answer is also on the same page given here, that is this one. The best way to thank God for everything that he has given to us is by doing good to all. This is our third answer on the same page. Now on the next page, one B exercise is given. Given below is a crossword puzzle. Find out the names of 4 trees hidden in this puzzle. Take the help of the picture. That means some pictures are given here of trees and we have to write down their name. So the first one is neem, N-E-E-M. So here we have to fill neem. And the second one is gulmohar. So G-U-L-M already written, O-H-A-R. And this is mango, M-A-N-G-O. This is mango and this is eucalyptus. So you can write down the spelling E-U-C-A-L-Y-P-T-U-S. These are 4 names of these plants. And now in C exercise, this we do not need to do in the fair notebook. This is a simple poem which you have to read by yourself. So in notebook we will do moral, question answers and exercise B. This much only. Thank you.